Like just about everyone trapped in the COVID these past months, we've been a little more sedentary and a little more culinary. It's been a battle to stay healthy and keep the scales at bay. Fortunately for us, lean and light cooking has been a way of life for years. It all started with my aversion to cholesterol medication. In a crusade to fight that battle with diet and exercise, we've come up with a ton of recipes to replace red meat and fat. And one of our favorites is a dish we call lemon garlic rosemary chicken. Not only is it tasty and healthy, perfect for the RV. Ingredients are few, prep time is minimal. Thank you. And you can grill it to perfection in just a few minutes.
Follow along and we'll show you just how it's done.
We'll stage our ingredients for the marinade first. 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 to 6 garlic cloves minced, and salt and pepper to taste. And I like some red pepper flakes also for a little kick. Mix together the zest, juice, and olive oil and stir in the spices. Cut a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast in fingers or cutlets for skewering and place in a zippered bag and pour in the marinade. Squish it around to get the chicken coated, squeeze out the air, and place in the fridge to marinate for 30 to 60 minutes. While the chicken's marinating, we'll prep a little something to go with it. Sometimes we'll have roasted baby potatoes and grilled veggies with this dish, but it's summer, so let's go with a spinach and arugula salad with a tangy Dijon vinaigrette dressing.
To create the dressing, which basically comes from Ina Garten, the Barefoot Contessa, you combine a 1/2 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, which pairs nicely with the apples, a teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. Slice an apple, put the slices in a bowl, coat with some of the Dijon vinaigrette, and set it aside. Cut a lemon in half and set that aside with the apple slices. Toss some arugula and spinach with cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, and sliced radishes, and drizzle with the remaining Dijon vinaigrette.
While the grill is preheating on high for 5 minutes or so, skewer the chicken, keeping some of the lemon zest and rosemary on it as you remove it from the bag. Grill the chicken on direct high heat for 3 to 5 minutes on one side and turn to sear the opposite side. Set the chicken to the side of the grill and put a slight char on the apple slices and lemon halves. Smoky lemon juice is another great flavor. We'll squeeze some on the chicken when we serve. Remove and let cool. Set heat to medium and cook the chicken indirectly for another 8 to 10 minutes until it's cooked to at least 165 degrees.
Let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. Cube the apple slices and toss into the salad. Remove the chicken from the skewers, slice that and add to the salad. Serve with the grilled lemon halves.
Cooking is a fun thing for us, something we enjoy doing together. This grilled chicken recipe is one of our favorites, but we have lots of healthy recipes that are great for the campsite grill and borderline gourmet.
We have some great fish recipes that we'll share with you and a bunch more awesome chicken dishes.
So if that sounds good, stick with us. We'll occasionally knock out a dessert, and there's a good chance there will be wine involved. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave your comments below. We love to hear what you think of our videos.